Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn a normal video to a green screen video. So I'm just going to add this video right here, and I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout and wait for it to process. There will be some bits over here. It's easier if you use your phone because you can still see some of the background here. So I'm just going to crop it out, kind of like that. And then from here on, I'm going to put this video up here. And I'm just going to add a green screen behind the video like so. And I'm just going to adjust it and scale it up. And then it's going to create this green screen video for you, and you can just apply it to any video that you want using chroma key here. Once you have exported it, you can also test it here. Right now, right click it, create compound clip, and then if you go to cutout and use chroma key, it can be used as a green screen, as you can see right here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!